What's going on, everybody? Brian here from Brian's Broadcast. I hope all of you are doing fantastic. Today, I'm about to share something really special. Now, a couple of weeks ago, or probably last month, I posted something about a brand new house that's called Hayati New York. Now, as per the owner, I was probably one of the first customer that purchased from them. And out of courtesy and good relationship, they sent out a really nice care package. Now, this is still unopened, as you can see. And today I'm going to open and see what gift they sent out. I wouldn't say this is like a sponsored content because, again, this is only a gift that they sent out of courtesy, and of course, no strings attached. If you are a first-time visitor on my channel, please make sure you are subscribed and hit the thumbs up button if you like contents like these. Now, the months of October to December and sometime in January, this is the month of gifting. This is the month of giving. Now, of course, they have some really nice gift packages, travel packages, and they really and specially package their products very nicely. If you will notice in my first impression videos and unboxing, you will see how beautifully they wrap up the products and how they ship it out. A lot of care is taken, honestly, and not because they sent me something. I'm telling you in all honesty. So this is what they sent out. Just look at this. Very nicely packaged, something that's worth sending to a loved one who loves fragrances or not, but they will certainly enjoy. Just look at this packaging, flawless, beautiful, and with this nice bow in the bottom. Beautiful. Hayati New York, thank you so very much. Really appreciate this kind gesture and, of course, this lovely package. Let's see what's inside. So I'm opening this box, and of course there's a nice thank you letter, and wow. So this is the message, a handwritten message, something that I really appreciate from brands, because this not only gives you a sense of belongingness, but also like they appreciate your business and how much they appreciate your works, your business. This is the proof. Thank you so much once again. I really appreciate this thank you letter. And inside, of course, there is one free sample. This is Habibi Alibi. Let's see what's inside. They again included a nice manual, a booklet where they describe all their fragrances. Everything is listed here. And let's go ahead and see what's inside the beautiful package. So this is what the bottom looks like. Of course, I'm trying to show you everything. So this is a 3 by 10 ml travel pack. Thank you so much, Hayati New York. Wow. A beautiful packaging, very nice, and with the deep blue and this golden lettering, wonderful stuff. So you actually get 3 10 ml sizes. These are travel packs, very luxurious packaging, I must say, because sometimes I see brands, they offer this 10 ml or 7 or 8 ml packages, but they just don't look as luxurious. But this is at a different level. Again, not because they sent it to me for free. You really got to buy and see the quality of product, and honestly, the customer service, the way they interact. The owner himself, I have spoken to him directly, and we had a long discussion about fragrances, how he started his business. Wonderful personality. So this is Sahara Desert Oud, and let me first show you all the packaging. This one is Italian leather. I have a full package of this. This is one of the first fragrances that I purchased from them, by the way. But then again, I don't mind. They sent me another one. This is always good to have. This is Italian leather, and this one is 1 million oud. I also have this one. So I will be doing I have done Italian leather full review on my channel. I'm not getting enough time to, take the time and review the other ones. But yeah, let me quickly show you the packaging. Look at this. 3 10 ml sizes, beautiful bottling, beautiful bottles, I must say. Packaging, Very premium. It does not feel cheap in the hand. Trust me, guys, trust me. You really gotta buy and see for yourself. I think they oftentimes they have all this sale going on their website. Go ahead and support their small business, man. Like, they definitely deserve this. So Sahara Desert Oud. Let me just try this and see, get an understanding or feeling of what it smells like. I have not smelled this one. This one seems interesting. Let's see. This is Sahara Desert Oud. Wonderful stuff, beautiful bottling. Nice, very nice. Very nice atomizer. It's a very nice, sweet, mild sweet. I wouldn't say too sweet. There's like a nice oud, woody oud undertones. Some spices coming through up front. Some kind of a juicy factor too. I feel there's some kind of a floral. I have not looked up the notes, but I'm just giving you my first impression and thoughts about this one. Wonderful stuff. So this is something, kind of has that tiny tad bit of skank to it, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna go away. A lot of foods in the background. Yep, almost turning into a pencil shaving kind of feel. Beautiful stuff, I must say. And look at the oil concentration, it's shiny. See how many sprays did I do? Like 3 or 4, maybe? It's concentrated. These are like long lasting, these are good. And the best part is that it's not overwhelming, it's not too loud, it's not gonna overwhelm people around you. So that's the best part about Hayati New York. Like, I'm an oversprayer. I love spraying too much, but that's because I enjoy my fragrances. It's not to make people know that, yes, I have something on. But the thing is, if you have something that's subtle, that sticks to your skin, it stays closer to you. That way you do not overwhelm someone else. Someone else does not get the chance to, complain like, oh, this guy smells bad, smells too strong, gives me a headache. There is no opportunity with this kind of fragrances. Lovely stuff. People who like a tiny tad bit of skank in the oud, I'm not sure if they have oud in it. I have not looked up the notes, but I'm pretty sure there is. But it's a very nice, masculine, woody kind of fragrance. Definitely a sophisticated fragrance. So this was Sahara Desert Oud from Hayati New York. Again, in case you have missed my unboxing and full unboxing and first impression of Italian leather, I'm gonna do a first impression. And guys, let me just show you something else. Even with the boxes, you see like there's a little bit of cloth in the back. Which other fragrance brand does it? I have not seen too many fragrance brand that offers travel sets like this. Very beautiful touch, very luxurious. Again, Hayati New York, thank you so much for this generous offer. Italian leather. This is like a fruity, very masculine, smooth, sweet kind of leather. Beautiful stuff. It's a different feeling. It's very sophisticated. Definitely something you might want to wear when you're like in a tuxedo or in a suit, you go to some important meeting. This is very nice, subtle, sticks closer to your skin, and it's a beautiful fragrance, very unique and stands out. This is something that lasts long, not the loudest projector, but this one lasts long, has great longevity. Go check out my full review. I have done a full review of this one. Italian leather from Hayati New York. Last but not the least in this set, this one is 1 million oud. Now, first of all, let me focus on the bottle. Look at this. It almost looks like a bar of gold. Even the full bottle, I should have got the full bottle because I didn't know what was inside the box. So yeah, but this one, look at this. Looks like a piece of gold itself. This one, I'm telling you, this is something very different. It has this juicy, fruity opening, has this mild floral vibe to it, and then it turns into a nice woody kind of base, woody, musky kind of base. But the musk over here, it's that clean, sharp musk. It's not one of your super powdery one, and the fruitiness kind of like lives throughout. I think there was pear in this fragrance. It has this juicy aspect to it. Beautiful stuff. Again, this one is long lasting and it stands out in the crowd too. Always a compliment getter. I always ask people that, hey, do you smell this fragrance? Especially my coworkers, because of course I'm in the office, like I have more coworkers around me. I do ask them sometimes like, hey, do you smell my fragrance? Do you get this kind of smell, or what kind of smell do you think this is? And for the most part, people enjoy the fragrance. Like this one was something that people really liked. I'm talking about people who are not frag heads like me. Like they don't have like a ton of fragrances in their collection. Maybe they have one or two. Probably they have only smelled, I don't know, Dior Sauvage or Yves Saint Laurent's Y, or I don't know, at most maybe some Chanel Bleu de Chanel or Versace Eros. So people who smell these things for the first time, this is like very good niche quality kind of fragrance. Smell is absolutely fantastic. Let me just spray it once more to get a feel of it. Wow. I mean, 1 million gold, 1 million oud, sorry. This one is really very nice. It's very different from anything that you have smelled in the market. So guys, that was my first impression and unboxing of this wonderful gift set, a travel set that was sent to me for free as a gift, with no intentions of like, hey Brian, can you do a favor for us? Can you do a review or first impression? No, I did this from my own interest. And honestly, when you deal with a company like this that values its customers, that values customer service, as well as values the business itself, like this person, this owner, he has this passion for this business, and that's what he's showing over here. It's not the free stuff. It's the thing that he's showing appreciation, because I was one of his first customers and he trusted me with this thing. And then he did send out one free bottle, which I will review later because I'm still testing it. And I will tell you everything about it. He does not tell me that, hey, you know, you got to give me good reviews. What he asked for was, Brian, anytime you say something, I want you to say it in all honesty, because I got to know what my fragrance smells like out there. I mean, I need to know what people think about it. If it's bad, if it smells bad, if it smells, you know, good, not long lasting enough, if there's a problem with the bottle or the packaging, is the price too much? He asked me all that question, and I really appreciate that, because not all brand owners or perfume companies will ask you all that. No, they don't. For the most part, there are certain brands they would always send out free gifts and stuff like that with strings attached. Over here, no strings attached. This was like a appreciation. So Hayati New York, once again, thank you so much for this wonderful gift, especially in the month of November, and with Thanksgiving coming up very soon. I really appreciate this kind gesture. And to everyone on my channel or on my Instagram, whoever's watching this on whatever platform, I highly recommend that you give Hayati New York, this particular brand, a chance. Do give them a chance. They definitely deserve it, because their products are really nice. The bottles, although some people said it looks like an Electimus bottle, but guys, like seriously, you need to look beyond these things. A bottle looking like something else does not necessarily mean that they're cloning something. This is not a clone house. There's fragrances that you will smell. These are very different. These are authentic creations, I must say. I mean, they do not smell like anything you have smelled in the market. Like, honestly, at least to my nose, I don't know. By now, I think I have way past 200, 220 fragrances, way past that. But honestly, I really enjoy this. There's some simplicity about these fragrances that I really enjoy, and I'm sure you would too. So guys, thank you for staying on my channel. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody in all parts of the world, and enjoy your time with your friends and family. And once again, Hayati New York, thank you so much for this generous offer. So until the next one, guys, please take care, stay safe, and all the best.